Zelda,
Bowser,
under attack by the evil forces of
Link,
I'm going to
Mushroom Kingdom,
to aid him.
But Father, what if something happens to you?
I'll take the Triforce of
Spaghetti,
to protect me. If you don't hear from me in a month, send
James Dean,
Impa?
Don't worry, Zelda. The Triforce of
Toast,
promises the king will...
die. Enough. My ship sails in
Smoke.
I wonder what's for dinner.
There is no
Dinner. No!
A whole month gone, and still no word.
I'm certain he's all right.
Yeah, that old Link is no match for Koopa.
Link, go to
Mushroom Kingdom,
and find my...
pesky plumbers. Great! I can't wait to
Die. No!
Wake up, Impa. We're going to...
Mushroom Kingdom.
Of course I'm on your side, but I still have to sell the
Evil birds.
Just pick what you want. I'll handle the
Dinner. You must die! You dare bring light to my lair? You must
Eat it.
dinner. No! Die. The chains! No! You haven't seen the last of me!
Stop. Hammer time. Every time you see me, the hammers just go hype.
Enough. I'm going to sail for dinner.
Father!
You saved me.
Here's the spaghetti, Your Majesty. Please, Your Omnipotence, have...
Toast.
After you've scrubbed all the floors and
Mushroom Kingdom.
then we can talk about murder.
Toast.
Take him away.
No.
I wonder what happened to...
Bowser.
Oh, he was a bore anyway.
Stop looking at yourself.
What happened?
Nothing.
Bowser.
We were just about to have a feast.
Dinner.
Feast.
Dinner.
Feast.
You must die!
Looks at the seating. It's been one of those days.